If you're a Sync woman over 40, here's the uncomfortable truth. You are your own safety net. No dual income buffer, no fallback, no margin for financial drift. So the question is simple. If your income stopped tomorrow, how long would you last? Single income, no kids sounds freeing, and it is, but it comes with a structural risk, single point of failure. That's why an emergency fund isn't optional, it's infrastructure. Today we'll break down why emergency funds matter more for Sync women over 40, the exact amount you need, and a tactical plan to build it fast. Number one, there is no redundancy in income. Couples have a buffer. You don't. If you become jobless, this immediately results in financial exposure. Number two, age-related career risks. Let's be direct. An age bias exists. Replacing income at age 45 plus can take longer than expected. Number three, health unpredictability increases. Even minor health issues can disrupt earnings. Without dependents, you might assume lower risk, but the opposite is true. Number four, total financial responsibility. No one is splitting rent, bills, or emergencies. Every shock hits 100% of your system. Forget generic advice. 3 to 6 months is often insufficient here. I know Dave Ramsey will tell you get 1 month of emergency savings. That's not going to be enough. For Sync women over 40, the baseline is 6 months of essential expenses, but the optimal is actually 9 to 12 months. Why? Because recovery time is longer and risk concentration is higher. If, for example, your essential monthly spend is £2,000 a month, then your minimum fund should have at least £12,000. If you want to be in a strong position, make sure you've saved £18,000 to £24,000. This isn't excess, it's stability. So your emergency fund is not an investment. The priorities are 1, liquidity, 2, capital preservation, and 3, instant access. So what are the options? The best options are 1, a high yield savings account, 2, easy access cash ISAs here in the UK, and thirdly, premium bonds, which are a secondary layer but not primary. These are the things to avoid: stocks, investing it in crypto, or locked in accounts. If the market were to drop and you need cash, you've already lost. In this section, we're going to talk about how to build it fast. So the first step is to define your bare minimum number. Strip all expenses to survival mode and not lifestyle. Forget the holidays. Number 2, set a non-negotiable monthly allocation. Treat it like a rent bill. It's not optional. You need to save it. Number 3, cut aggressively but temporarily. Think about cutting your Netflix subscriptions, impulse spending, low-value habits. You're buying security, not deprivation. Number 4, increase your income, not just your savings. Think about freelancing, consulting, working extra hours, and monetizing existing skills. Cutting has its limits, but earning does not. Then number 5, we need to automate everything. We have already got a video about automating, so your money should move before you can touch it. Number 6, use lump sum acceleration. Sometimes you might be lucky to get a bonus, tax refunds, or windfalls. These should go straight into your emergency fund. In this section, I'm going to just wrap up some common mistakes that Sync women might make. 1, overinvesting too early. Investing without a safety buffer is equal to forced selling later. You will sell when your investments are in the red. Look at the video that we produced around Bailey Gifford American and just see what the impact would be if I were to sell those funds. Number 2, underestimating expenses. Be realistic or your fund fails when tested. If your essential bills are £3,000, then you need to treat it as £3,000. Number 3, treating it like optional savings. It is not a goal, it's a prerequisite. This is not optional. And then lastly, stopping halfway. 3 months is fragile. It's at least something. but you need to push it to be at least 6 months or plus. An emergency fund doesn't make you rich, it makes you resilient. And for Sync Women Over 40, resilience is the foundation of everything else: your career, your freedom, and long-term wealth. Build this first, then scale everything else. Let's see you in the next video.